Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the button. Today I have a quick unboxing. This is another piece of equipment from Schiit, S-C-H-I-I-T. They make a bunch of nice audio equipment. This is something I actually picked up for my stepson for Christmas. I talked previously on a video about a pair of gaming headphones that I picked up for him. So this is a Schiit Fulla E. And this is a gaming DAC / headphone amplifier. So it's smaller than I expected it to be. I don't want to unwrap it, but on the front there's a 1/4" headphone jack. There is a 1/8" microphone jack. There's a giant volume knob on the top. On the back we have 2 USB-Cs, 1 optical, and 1 it's a line in. There is a 1/4" adapter. There is a USB to USB-C cable, and of course the Schiit stickers that you get with every Schiit product. So yeah. I ordered this about 6 weeks ago, I want to say. It's been a minute since I ordered it. So it's here today. I can't really give a review on it for quite a while because it's not Christmas yet. But I think it's something that's going to be pretty cool. He's got a headset. He's starting to get into some audio stuff. And, well, I'm getting him a headset and this for Christmas. So, thank you for watching. Have yourself a great day.